Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix PlayStation Store error when buying games. So if this error appears when you're trying to make a purchase, then just follow along. First, check your internet connection and make sure your PS5 is connected properly. Next, you need to verify that the PlayStation Network services are working normally. And if everything looks fine, restart your PS5 and try making the purchase again. After that, check that your payment method is valid and that your billing information matches exactly with your bank or card provider. And if you're using PlayStation Wallet, you need to make sure you have enough funds to complete the purchase. You should also update your PS5 to the latest system software and make sure the PlayStation Store app is fully refreshed. And if the error still continues, try completing the purchase through the PlayStation website or mobile app instead of directly from your console. And finally, if none of these steps work, you need to contact PlayStation support with the error code WC-40382-7 so that they can check whether there's an account or payment issue preventing the transaction. So that was how to fix PlayStation Store error when buying games. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.